Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we'll help you out by showing you how to put on commands in Minecraft. Pretty much all you want to do is you want to tap escape, then open to LAN, and you want to turn allow commands on and then start LAN world. So now we can pretty much do anything. If I want to, I can change my own game mode to creative. As you can see, now we're in creative. I can go to back to survival, of course, which is what this mode is. This is the spectator mode, so we can pretty much do anything except what you really want to do in a survival world. So let's go back to survival right now. Game mode and then survival. And now we are back. So pretty much that is how to allow all commands. You can also do /seed and you will see the seed of your game just like this. The possibilities are endless. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.